Hey guys, we have racked up almost 19,000 Ks with our Tradie-spec D-Max ute, and it's been fantastic. I mean, we've towed things around, like Turbo Taxi's been towed around it. We even did a ute test where Turbo Taxi was towed down to Lang Lang with this beast, and then, you know, we've hauled parts around it, engine blocks and all that sort of stuff. It's been a great parts hauler, and it's economical as well. I only have to fill this thing up once a week, and I do a lot of Ks, so as, you know, 19,000 Ks already. Yeah, we've been doing a lot of Ks. But it's been a great thing. It's powerful, it's economical, it is everything you want, except the fact that it only has 2 seats. So, we're gonna have to say goodbye to our little D-Max. But say hello to our new D-Max, that's right. It's got more doors, it's got 4-wheel drive, it's got automatic transmission, still got the nice spicy 3-litre turbo diesel under the bonnet, but yeah, where the other one was our Tradie-spec unit, this one is more of the family truckster, so you can go everywhere, do everything, tow anything. Yeah, it's a good looking unit. Alloy wheels, it's got a nice sports bar on it, very sexy. Locking hard tonneau, which I really like. There's even a light in the tonneau. How good's that? Trays all lined so you can knock it around a bit. But yeah, I like the fact that we can throw all our gear in here, go to the races or whatever. All our fuel tools and that can be locked up nice and safely. That is awesome. So tow bar, of course. It's got trailer brake controls for electric trailers, you know, electric trailer brakes if you want that. It's got all the sway control, all that stuff, electronic braking. It's got basically everything you need from a modern towing 4-wheel drive. So, and the fact that it is 4-wheel drive, we can go places, bushy places. Haven't done that in a while. So yeah, you're going to be seeing this a lot more on Carnage, and we're actually getting it stickered up. This one's going to be our first unit that we get stickered up, full Carnage spec. So you're going to be seeing it around. Hopefully, COVID permitting, we can get out to some racetracks, tow our cars out there, do some racing. There's a lot going on, and there's a lot we want to do. So look forward to seeing some of that. But yeah, I have a new baby.